guys, how are you all doing? My baby and I, we are going to town this afternoon to get some groceries from the store. Yeah. So for this boy, for me to carry my handbags and other stuff, I would like to show you guys how I back my babies. I have this African wrap. So I have this my African print here that I normally use to back my boy whenever we are going to town. Whenever we are going to town and I want to carry other stuff, like maybe we have plenty things to carry. So this is how I back him, by using this cloth to back him. So I want to show you how you can secure your baby at your back. It's alone because my husband is not in the house, so I have to just get down. Give it to me. So show you guys how I always back my boy whenever we are going to town and I can't carry him, or maybe his daddy is not around, so that he will be secure at my back while I can carry other stuff in my hand. So yeah, I'm telling them how I always back you. So come here, baby. So guys, first of all, you will need this cloth, this African print cloth. If you don't have that, you can use towel, a big towel. Let me show you guys. It's either you use towel or African wraps. So this one, you can get it at any African store, or when you are coming from Africa, you can get some. And this one too, you can get it at Walmart. So it's either towel, African wrap, or African print, or any bed sheet that is not too heavy. So let's do this. I'll first of all show you guys how I use this African wrap to back my boy together. First of all, you will spread it like this. First of all, you will spread it like this, and you put it at your back like this, and you put it at your waist. You put it at your waist like this, and then you open your leg like this, and you put the cloth here, and then you pick your baby. And then you pick your baby like this. See? And you open your arms like this. Then you do it like this. Sometimes the baby will try to get down, but you have to be fast. If not, he can fall down, or sometimes you can just maintain the cloth to be tight. So you do it like this. You see? Yeah. So then his leg. So you check the length that the cloth is. You see, it's at his back. So you see, it's at his back. Then you put one of the cloth here inside your armpit, and then you put the other one here, and you kind of secure it well. You can even tie it. I will show you guys. So the legs are hanging. Yeah, the legs are hanging, so you can just do the legs like this, and then see, now it's either you cover the legs. It's either you cover the legs like this, see, and then you kind of twist. You twist this thing. You twist the African print like this, and you hold your cloth, pull it down, and then you put this one up here. Then that is it. See? So you can use your hand. Your hands are now free. You can either back him like this and be in the kitchen and be cooking, and also I will show you guys whenever I will leave it on the screen for you guys to see. So whenever I'm busy in the kitchen, I always back him like this while I'm in the kitchen. So this way he's secured. You can move your hand, you can carry your bags here and there. So this way too, you can help him to sleep. So guys, it's not easy. See? Goodness. Kel, say hi. Say hi. So this, say hi. Say hi. So this way, your baby is happy. He's bonding with you. He's just, you see, the bond is there because body to body. You see, and you can even dance with him. So this way you can be singing for him, you can be dancing, you can be moving your body, and through that it's kind of you are rocking him and he will fall asleep. You see, so this is the way our mothers taught us. Kelly, I'm talking. Okay, Kel, I'm talking. Okay, so this is the type of he's telling you guys this is what my mommy do. So this is the type, or this is the way our mothers back us back home, and then we were able to sleep while they would do their thing. So if you want to remove him too, it's just simple. You just lose the cloth and then that is it, right? So we are done with this one. Let me show you the next one that you can do, guys. It's just simple. This way your boy can be at your back while you will quickly do your thing fast. It saves time, because sometimes when you're in the kitchen, babies, they like pick me. So the second stage is how to use the towel. You see the towel? Yeah, so I'm coming to show you guys. This towel is thick. You can also use, as I said, you can use bed sheet to do. So this is the towel. I have a bed sheet over there. I will show you guys how you can use the bed sheet too. Yeah, my love. So you open it like this, you see, and you turn yourself like this, and you wrap it over your waist. You wrap it over your waist, and you open your leg, and you put both sides inside your legs, so that it's holding. Then you pick your boy. You see the way it is kind of holding. You put your boy like this. You open your arms. Then he pass through your armpit, and then you put the hands. You see this way. You see this way. So you see the other way too. So you use this like this, and you, anyway, whether you are lefty or anything, you can just use either this way or this way first. But me, normally I go here first. So I put it on my right armpit, then I put it on my left armpit, and then you see this thing, you just kind of put it under this way. Yeah, my love. Yeah. So you see the legs are hanging, so you can just put this one here. See, there's excess towel there. So the leg, you hold it together with the wrap or the towel or bed sheet, and you pull, you kind of jump like this, and that thing will go under. You see, it has been, you see here, take this one, and then you check from both sides. You see both sides, see both sides are okay, both sides are secure. See the back is secure. So these ones here, the excess ones, you just twist it like this. You twist it like this, kind of creating a knot, and then you pull your outfit down and you put this one up here. You see, you pull it up here. See, you do it like this, okay? Do it like this, do it like this, and then you pull your outfit, and then you put this one here like this. Then that is it. See? Stop, okay. See? Say hi. So you see this way. Let's dance, baby. Let's dance. Let's dance. So yes, I want to show them something. So you see, so you can just carry two things at the same time with your hands. So this one, you carry your bag like this, carry this one, or maybe you can even put it like this while you still have another thing to carry, and your boy is secured. You see, he's secured. So that's why I said I want to show you guys how I always back my baby. It's just simple, guys. It's so simple. It's simple and nice. So sometimes too, when you have two cloths to, it also helps, especially if the place is cold. So let's say I want to use this one to wrap him again. You will just use it like this, see, and then you will use it like this while the hands are there, especially if he's asleep. And then you wrap him like this. You see, I've covered the hands. I've covered the hands. So this way, when he's sleeping, his neck is secured when you cover the hands. You see, this way, when the baby is sleeping and you cover the hands like this, it helps him to sleep well. His neck is stable. It will not be turning or maybe paining him. Then that, so this one, so you just do it like this, turn and return it like this, you twist it like this, and then that is it. The boy is sleeping. Baby boy is sleeping, or your baby girl is sleeping, then that is it. So guys, I hope you will give this one a try if you haven't done this before. I have the front carrier, I can do that, but this is what I normally do sometimes with my baby whenever either we are traveling or whether we are going to town, park, anywhere, even in the house. I normally do that. So this is the way our mothers taught us. Then you carry your bag like this. See, can you even carry your bag like this? And you still have this one to carry. So see you guys later. We are going to town, right? Guys, we are back, right? So guys, we are back, and that is it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and please, if you are new here, my name is Linda and you are welcome to Chrislinfamily. Please give this video thumbs up, give this video a like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.